Hi guys, I am back here with another makeup tutorial. Today we're actually going to be doing my everyday go-to makeup look, and right here I'm just going to be applying some concealer as an eye base to both my eyelids, and then I'm going to just be blending it out. Now we're going to apply some setting powder. This is the Ben Nye setting powder in the color beige suede. We're going to use this to set the concealer, and this is going to be your lid color. So now we're going to take the darkest shade from the Black Radiance contour palette, and we're going to use that in the outer V and the crease of the eye. And we're going to blend, blend, blend. And then we're going to blend some more. Then we're going to do the same thing for the other eye. We're going to apply that color, and then we're going to blend, blend, blend. Now we're gonna apply some eyeliner. Now we're gonna apply some false eyelash. We're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna apply them. Now I'm gonna apply my foundation. It's a Black Radiance foundation in the color Rum Spice. Then we're gonna blend that out with a foundation brush. Next, I'm gonna apply some concealer. This is the color in Chestnut, and then I'm gonna add a few drops of Cool Tan, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a wedge sponge. Now we're gonna add some setting powder, the same setting powder from earlier, to set the concealer. Now I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the face powder from Jordana in the shade Warm Amber. So I've just added a lip pencil, and then I'm gonna add some clear lip gloss and then blend it out, and that's gonna be your lip combo for today. So I'm gonna set my face with some setting spray, and then I'm gonna add some highlighter. This is the same highlighter from the contour palette, the dark, medium to dark Black Radiance contour palette. And that's the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy some slow-mos.
No, no,